Hello my good people, Doreen Dot here once again. I would like to appreciate you kwa kunifollow. Thank you kwa kulike videos zangu. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Thank you for your encouragement. So far so good. And I appreciate you once more for watching my song Under One Flag. That was song number 2. Na leo hii nimekuja na song number 3. Song number 3 under Unity song inaitwa Mimi ni Mkenya. Je, wewe ni Mkenya? Kama wewe ni Mkenya, comment for me the part of this country that you are watching my songs from. And lastly, share these videos to as many Kenyans as possible. We build a movement for our country. I am trusting God tunaenda mbali. Our country is going to maintain its glory because this is Kenya and we are Kenya. I'm a very proud Kenyan and I appreciate you all for supporting me as I continue with the mission of uniting this country through my singing. Otherwise, cheers na washukuru tu nyote, muendelee kunishika mkono. Asanteni.